Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Sir Dottie and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Moshi moshi.
Formal ba? Okay, so today's video, I'll be teaching you how to find the remainder when a certain polynomial function is divided by a binomial. I'll just introduce you two ways on how to find the remainder of the given polynomial function. First, we have the synthetic division. The second one is using the remainder theorem. So let's start first with the synthetic division. In synthetic division, of course, see to it that your given polynomial function is written in standard form. If it is not, write it first in standard form. So the given polynomial function, 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 is already in its standard form. How will you know that the given polynomial function is in its standard form? The given polynomial function is in its standard form if the exponent is in decreasing order, meaning to say from the highest exponent to the constant. Okay, so you have here 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 written in standard form. Second, just take all the numerical coefficients of your given polynomial function. So in here, our numerical coefficients is 2, here it's negative 3, and in here it's negative 4. So take out the numerical coefficients of your given polynomial function. Second, since our divisor is x plus 1, we will equate x plus 1 to 0. And that is x plus 1 transpose 1, that will be x is equal to negative 1. So we will write here negative 1. Yeah, this is now the number from our given divisor. Yeah, so put a line below. So the first thing to do is bring down the first constant, that is 2. Then you multiply here to your given constant. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. The product should be written in the second column. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So doon natin ilalagay ang product to the next column. Then you are just going to add the numbers. Negative 3 and negative 2 will give you negative 5. Okay, then continue the process. Multiply again the resulting number here. So negative 5 times negative 1 will give you positive 5. Add negative 4 plus 5 will give you 1. And the last number appeared here is just simply your remainder. Therefore, in this question, the remainder is equal to 1. So the answer is the letter C. That is how are you going to use the synthetic division. How about using the remainder theorem? So when a given polynomial function f of x is divided by x minus c, then f of c is just simply your r. What do you mean by that? When a given polynomial function f of x is divided by a binomial x minus c, then the remainder is just simply the value of the function f at c. So, to lessen the abstraction, ganito yung mangyayari dyan. Since our given polynomial function f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 4, what is now RC? RC here is from our divisor x plus 1. So if you're going to equate x plus 1 to 0, this will give you x equals -1. So you just simply substitute -1 to your given polynomial function f of x. So this one will become f of -1. Substitute your -1 to the excess of your polynomial function. This will give you 2 times -1 squared minus 3 times -1 minus 4. Simplifying this one, of course, -1 squared will give you 1. -1 squared will give you 1. So 2 times 1 is just simply equal to 2. -3 and -1, multiply that 1 will give you positive 3 minus 4. 2 plus 3 is just simply 5, and 5 minus 4 will give you 1. So therefore, the remainder is just simply equal to 1. So you have the same remainder using the synthetic division and the remainder theorem. Nasa sa inyo kung ano yung mas madaling paraan na gagamitin nyo para hindi kayo mahirapan. Let's have another example. The remainder when f of x equals 5 minus 2x squared minus 4x plus x cubed is divided by x minus 3 is -2, 0, 1, or letter D, 2. Okay, so using again the synthetic division, we will first take a look at the given polynomial function. Is it written in standard form? Correct. It is not written in standard form. So the first thing to do is rewrite your given polynomial function in standard form. So that means to say you have now your f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Since our highest exponent is 3, again, standard form is in decreasing manner. Okay, from highest exponent to the constant. So you have now x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. And our divisor is just simply x minus 3. If you're going to equate again, x minus 3 to 0, this will give you x is equal to 3. So taking out the numerical coefficients of your polynomial function, this is just simply 1, this is -2, this is -4, and this is +5 divided by our divisor constant, which is 3. Again, we will write a line below. So bring down the first constant. So you have 1 multiplied here and add. So 1 times 3 will give you 3. Write 3 to the next column and add. -2 plus 3 will give you again 1. Multiply again. 1 times 3. This will give you 3. -4 and 3 will give you -1. -1 times 3 will give you -3. And 5 minus 3 will give you +2. And again, the last number here is just simply our remainder, which is equal to +2. Ayan. So therefore, our answer is letter D. Is it correct using the remainder theorem? So you have now f of x is equal to 5 minus 2x squared minus 4x plus x cubed. Again, our divisor is x minus 3. Equate that x minus 3 to 0. This will give the value of your x equal to 3. Again, substitute your x here to the given excess of your polynomial function. So you have now 5 minus 2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 3 to the power of 3. Simplifying this one, this will give you 5 minus 3 squared. Operate first the number with exponent. Do not multiply. So this is 3 squared. This will give you 9. And 2 times 9 is 18. Okay? You have now 4 times 3 will give you 12. And 3 to the power of 3 will give you Okay, correct. That is equal to 27. It is not 9, it's 27. Again, 3 times 3 times 3. Simplifying further, this will give you now, combine all positive numbers and all negative numbers para hindi tayo masyadong mahirapan. So, 5 and 27 will give you 32. Negative 18 and negative 12 will give you negative 30. And 32 minus 30 will give you 2. So you have again, the number here is just simply the remainder. So our remainder is equal to positive 2. But there are instances that synthetic division cannot be used in finding the remainder of the given polynomial function, just like this example. What is the remainder when f of x is equal to x to the power of 4,179 minus 4x to the power of 4,177 plus 3 divided by x minus 2? Again, using the synthetic division, masyadong mahirapan, masyadong malaki yung numbers. So you will write this polynomial function in standard form. So this is from 4,179. You will complete the exponent. So masyado kang maluloka ka talaga. So using the remainder theorem, ganito lang yan siya kadali. Baka isipin, masyado malaki yung number. Hindi ko kaya, of course. Meron tayong mga techniques dyan. Ganito yan siya. Paano i-solve? This is just simply easy problem. Easy daw. Okay, ganito lang yan siya. Paano i-solve? Again, our given divisor is x minus 2. Equate that one to 0. This will give you x is equal to 2. Okay? Our given polynomial function f of x is equal to x to the power of 4,179, 4x to the power of 4,177 plus 3. Substitute the value of your x to the given polynomial function. This will give you 2 to the power of 4,179 minus 4 times 2 to the power of 4,177 plus 3. So, dito napapasok yung ating problem. Do you need to simplify 2 to the power of 4,179? Maluloka ka dyan kasi wala kang calculator. How will you do that? Take note that 4 can be written as 2 squared. So you have now again 2 to the power of 4,179. You know that 4 can be written as 2 squared times 2 to the power of 4,177 plus 3. So using the laws of exponent, 4,177 and 2 squared, you have now, if you have the same base, you can add the exponent. Tama? If you have a to the n times a to the m using the laws of exponent, this will give you a to the power of n plus m. So since you have the same base, you can add now the exponent. So this will give you now 2 to the power of 4,179 minus 4,177 plus 2 will give you 2 to the power of 4,179 plus 3. So take note that this is just simply the same number, right? To the power of 4,179 minus 2 to the power of 4,179 can be said is just simply equal to 0. So here we have the remaining number equal. So therefore, the remainder is just simply equal to 3. So ganun lang siya kadali. Hindi naman siya mahirap. You just need a simple technique in order to solve this kind of problem. Okay. So that is how to find the remainder of the given polynomial function using the synthetic division and the remainder theorem. So hope you like it. And again, don't forget to comment down below and hit the subscribe button. So thank you and see you again next time.